Learn to read in English 7, L-Blends. Benchmark First Grade, Unit 2, Week 3. First, let me introduce some L-Blends. B, all, bull. K, all, cull. F, all, full. G, all, gull. P, all, pull. S, all, soul. B, all, bull, ack, black. Bull, ob, blob. It's a squishy blob. Bull, ock, block. Cull, am, clam. Cull, ass, class. Cull, app, clap. Yay! Cull, ick, click. Cull, ip, clip. Cull, ock, clock. Cull, ub, club. It's the ace of clubs. Full, at, flat. Oh no, she got a flat tire. Full, ag, flag. Raise the flag. Full, axe, flax. They use flax to make linen cloth. Full, ip, flip. Full, op, flop. Oh no. Gull, add, glad. Pull, an, plan. Pull, plum. It's a ripe, juicy plum. Sul, ip, slip. Oh no, look out! Thanks so much. See you next time.